Want to make a real impact in your workplace? Study human resources at Fox Valley Technical College. The HR Associate degree at Fox Valley Tech allows students to gain practical skills in recruiting and hiring, onboarding, employee relations, benefits, and record keeping. Add talent to your team. Shape office culture. Inspire new employees through support and leadership. Our classes teach key HR topics such as labor relations, insurance administration, budgeting, and communication skills. This program is offered online and in person, and all coursework is fully transferable to our 4-year university partners, making it a great pathway toward a bachelor's degree. After graduation, students can expect to work as an HR assistant, a recruiting coordinator, a benefits specialist, and more. Make people your new purpose with human resources. Learn more about the HR program and how to apply at fvtc.edu/human resources.